We're down to the final hour and fear is gripping the market at 27 out of 100. Can the bulls hold the line into close? Here's the split we're seeing. The Dow Jones is flying up 467 points or 0.86%, but the Nasdaq is bleeding red, down 134 points or 0.5%. The S&P 500 is barely hanging on with just a 2.77-point gain. The Russell 2000 is also losing ground, down 0.23%. This tells you mega-cap tech is getting hammered while old economy stocks find safe harbor. Let's talk winners. NVDA is absolutely crushing it with a 4.19% surge to 220.82. That's pure momentum play on AI optimism. Disney is making a comeback, up 3.67% as streaming sentiment improves. Goldman Sachs jumped 2.18% on financial sector strength. These three are fighting to keep the market from sliding deeper into red territory. On the flip side, AMD is getting absolutely pummeled, down 6.03% to $487. That's a serious breakdown in semiconductor confidence. Google is sliding 3.9% as big tech faces selling pressure into the close. Amazon is down 2.13% as investors rotate away from mega-cap momentum. This is classic power hour volatility where breadth is deteriorating fast. Here's what analysts are telling us. NVIDIA has overwhelming bullish consensus with 64 buy ratings versus just 1 sell. Amazon is similarly loved with 70 buys and 0 sells. Google has 62 buys against 0 sells. Microsoft commands 64 buys with no sellers. These are some of the most bullish analyst calls in the market, but today you're seeing investors ignore that consensus and sell anyway. That's the fear talking. The real story in Power Hour is sector rotation. Financials like Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan are outperforming at plus 0.96. Utilities and staples are holding firm, but technology is cracking. When your highest conviction positions start failing into the close, that signals concern about tomorrow's open. Watch AMD closely as we approach the final print. That 6% breakdown is a red flag for the entire semiconductor complex. If AMD holds these losses, we could see cascading selling in chip stocks overnight. If it bounces, the Nasdaq might find footing.